Hi guys!
Lake Louis.
Lake Louis. So we'll go for a hike. Nasa
sa'yo?
mga Rocky Mountains kami today. Fully suit up. Sobrang lamig. I think it's minus 5 siguro. Sobrang lamig. I can feel my lips na natutuyo.
Ang gagawin mo, talagay mo yun.
Had a good experience. Mag-drive. Sarap mag-drive sa Canada, sa freeway. And then, hopefully, mamaya hindi ma-traffic. Sarap. Let's go, guys! Morning, guys! It's day, ano naman to? Day 2. Saan tayo papunta tayo?
Lake Louis.
Lake Louis.
Best lake. Hi guys, good morning. Morning. Hey, say good morning. Ako muna magte-take over kasi si Rainier ang aming driver for today. And we are going to Saint. Saan tayo punta, Ate Janelle?
Lake Louis.
Lake Louis.
Lake Louis pala, St. Louis. See those ice caps.
To keep left onto Trans-Canada Highway 1 East.
Alright guys, so dito na kami sa starting point ng hike. Yung ating mga kasama. So ilang degrees to tayo? Ganito.
Maybe 5.
Mga 5. 5 minus 5.
No.
Around 5 lang. So medyo foggy yung mountains. Pero mamaya andun tayo sa tuktok nun mismo. Let's go! Ito yung Lake Louis. So pwedeng magkaya. Nata.
Hi.
So ito yung Canadian Rocky Mountain Park. Okay, and look at how beautiful guys yung lugar. So ito na kung kita sa camera yung dulo. Kita mo. Hello. Hi guys.
Hello.
Look at how stunning guys yung view dito. Alright, so this is the start of the trek. Lake Agnes.
Oo na kayo na.
Hi kids. So medyo steep yung terrain. Or aggressive ng konti yung simula. Pero all good. Malamig. Masarap.
Good so far.
So which way, Ra? Which way to the tea house?
But this way kapag may horse po kayo, you go up.
Oh, there's a horse trail.
But we can go up like that.
Alright, just walking in the park. Oh.
La effort kay Ira.
Effortless.
Kakainis.
Kung sa bike to, mga 16% grade yan.
Nakakangiti pa.
Huminga na sa bibig, oh. Para pumapasok sa bagay yung hangin. Hey guys, so tingnan nyo gano'n na kami kataas from the water level. Hindi na ako kita sa video, but nakikita nyo yung blue. That's actually the body of water. So taas na. Walang recovery. Purely all the way up. Steep. So energy level nila mataas pa daw. Let's see. Motivation namin is that meron daw tea house sa taas. So hopefully open. And kung sakala yun yung pinakamasarap na tea na matitikman natin on top of the climb. So yun guys, so kita nyo yung summit and then yung mga ice caps. Yan ang motivation mo and view to keep going. See? Really beautiful. Woo, let's go. We're probably at 2,000 altitude. The tree fell. Watch out. Woo! Super high. And more people upstairs. Yeah, doon pa kami sa dulo. So, we're not even halfway through, I guess. Narinig niya yung aming puro hinga.
Kung kaya nila, yan.
Kaya natin.
Kaya namin yan.
Kung kaya nila lolo't lola, kaya din namin.
Kaya namin yan.
Pero mas malakas sila. This is the sign na mataas na kami. You now start to see ice caps sa mga halaman. See nga? There's snow. Nakikita mo na sa mga paligid. Hiker. Almost on top. Should be the sign. So, we're ice na everywhere.
Exactly.
Like, I just would feel wrong.
That's just fashion there.
Yeah, so
Yes, no na.
Gaya nga, tama kuha ka lang.
Dito mes na. Naglalaro na ng snow.
Ellie, makita mo.
let's make the snowball.
Tama kang nunot dyan. Build the snowman natin. Hey guys, we're told we are 700 meters away from the summit, from the tea house. Whew. Reward time.
Delicious tea that we will try ever. Mirror
Almost there.
Lake.
Wow.
We are approaching the Mirror Lake.
Wow. Oh shit. Really nice. Woo. Wow. This is the beauty of nature. Grabe. Oh my. kayong snowman na kayong dala ni ate. Ay, ang ganda ng posting mo dyan, te. Water is very calm and peaceful. So I think the tea house is right at top of that. Hi, Ma.
Saan ang tea house, Day?
Sa taas. The crew. Alright, Lake Agnes is 0.8 kilometers away. So, almost there. Okay. You want to take a slide down? There's a shortcut. Ooh. Now it's a serious climb. Oh. Okay, we've made it to the top. My gulay.
We did it, Fantasia.
We did it, guys.
One more up here.
Woo! Final stretch to the tea house. Finally, tea house. Guys, titignan nyo. That's how far we've come. Grabe. Makakababa pa kaya kami nito. Grabe. Going to be an amazing view.
Stop.
Wow.
Ay, ang haba na pila.
Nice.
Dapat kumita pa tayo.
Wait lang. Any meat. This cannot be solved by bread. So, hopefully this is the easiest part, but mas masakit sa tuhod. Kanina akit nito. Parang may avalanche ng bato dito. Guys, if you can see that establishment, very small establishment there, dun kami bababa. So, long way to go. Yeah, but it's easier na pababa. So I think we'll double the time coming down. So those are the horses responsible for spreading out the poops. Whew, we've made it to the bottom.
We did it!
So I think roughly it's about 6 kilometer hike or more.
6.8.
Yeah, 6.8. So 6.8, take note so it's not flat. So it's actually
It's a rocky,
yeah.
slippery, snowy, name it, kind of trail.
It was fun.
Different level of
Definitely one of the books. So abangan nyo yung full video, guys. Thank you to Ate Dea who organized this.
Woohoo!
So
Shout out to Ate Dea,
yeah, Ate Dea.
to Min, to Ira for leading us.
So tomorrow to for sure.
Guys.
I can't feel my legs tomorrow. So it was fun. Bye, guys. How's everyone feeling?
Hey, we did it!
Okay. Had an encounter with a grizzly bear. Meet the organizers. Alright, so there are
The trailblazer.
people behind my achy knees. Alright, let's go.
That was good.
Sun is out. Mas maganda. Guys, doon tayo galing, oh. Yeah, doon kami galing.